Recibinumuti. Manugunda Garalaha Chuluru Lura Frende Garifuna. Laduga Chuluhalida Lula Rufudaho. Gunye. Today we are learning about the word love. And in Garifuna, that is Ísieni. Ísieni. I believe there's an accent. Now, if you want to tell someone you love them, you would tell them he. I notice the word comes down. Ísieni. Ísieni. Bon. No. I like you to me is a literal translation, but it's I love you. Now, if you want to tell somebody you don't like them or you don't love them, the H turns to M. Me sienti bon. No. Sucks. I don't love you. And we also have, if you don't like something, you can also say me sienti no. I don't like it. I appreciate the time you're spending with us. And until the next episode, Sareme. Ayo.